uNdunakulu uRefilwe Mtshweni-Tsipane uthi urhulumende uzimisele ukuqalela izinto ezifana nokukhahlumezana ngokobulili, ukuthuthukisa umphakathi kunye nokuhlumisa umnotho hlangana nokhunye. Mtshweni-Tsipane uthi okhunye godu urhulumende azimisele ngakho kuqala nomonakalo omumbi obangwe ukwehla kwengogwana ye-COVID-19 kunye nomonakalo obangwe lizulu elinamandla.
Firstly, the strategic objective of the UMpumalanga Economic Reconstruction Recovery Plan is not only to mitigate the negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the economy and livelihood, but also to place the provincial economy on a growth trajectory that creates more job opportunities for the people of Mpumalanga.
EFF kunye ne-FF Plus zithi ayikho into etsha ekulumeni kaNdunakulu.
It's a hopeless speech for the dejected masses, the oppressed people of our black people there who are without water, electricity, jobs. There's no clinics, there are no schools in the province.
Unfortunately, it does not reflect what is going on in our province. The road network is collapsing. The municipalities are in deep trouble. Their finances are at the point of collapsing altogether.
Nanyana kunjalo iDA ne-ANC bathi banelisekile ngekulumo kaMtshweni-Tsipane.
There's really a lot of new projects that she announced, and what I also liked as from the DA side is that she did announce timelines.
She has communicated to the people of Mpumalanga in terms of the progress that we have made in growing the economy of the province. We are happy that the economy of the province have grown at 4.6%. We are happy that she concentrated on youth development.
uNdunakulu uragele phambili wathi batsho urhulumende wesifunda uzimisele nangokuthuthukisa ilusha lesifundesi ngehlangothini lezokulima.